Hello, welcome back. Today we are doing something super exciting. Hazel has her very first gymnastics class. We were supposed to come last month, but we ended up both getting sick. So we're here today. It's December, the first week, and we're gonna do some baby gymnastics. So let's see how this goes. Playing with that? Are you playing with that? What do you think of gymnastics? Oh no! Oh no! Why are you crying? Well, she only cried twice during class, so that's not bad, right? So class is over. That was a really cute, just little like 30-minute class. I'm surprised at Hazel though. I thought she was gonna be all over the place, and she was actually a little shy. She she was unsure. She didn't know what she wanted to do. She did find a couple things that she did for a little bit, but she cried twice and she did not like the slide. So that's okay. But it was still a really fun time, and we'll be back next month for gymnastics. So we are about to go walk in the Christmas parade, and I am super nervous for it because we didn't realize the parade route is like almost 2.5 miles long, and I am thinking that the girls are not going to be able to hang, but we'll see how this goes. Hey girls, come over here.
I found something cool. Come and look at.
You found something cool? Oh.
That's Dada.
That's Dada?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Olive's favorite thing.
Hey girls, why are we going to be in the parade? What for?
Because we are gonna try to.
For what?
For gymnastics.
For gymnastics. It's pure chaos down here. We're going to see how this goes.
Are you ready for the parade? I went to go look for everybody.
We found them.
Everybody is here almost. We're gonna go back to the car. We're gonna meet up with Nini, and then we're gonna see you in the parade, right?
Yep. Are you guys excited? Yeah? Okay, it's getting ready to start soon.
Here we go. Hi, Hazel. Nini's here. Oh, Hazel, here they come. In front of the old movie theater, just like in our chalk video.
Oh my gosh, it's starting to rain. Let's hope that it holds out until the parade is over.
Well, I did feel a raindrop.
You didn't feel one?
In here.
Yeah.
So it's me.
It's time to start going. Woo!
We are starting the parade.
Ah!
but we're still stopping.
We're going right now. We're going.
We're going now. But bye-bye.
Good job, girl. Good job, Holly. Go for it. Yeah, good job.
I just did 10 cartwheels, and I'm my mom's first time in the parade.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
You're good. Oh my goodness, get Ollie. She's doing the splits. Whoa, crazy girl. we'll find him.
Dad!
Oh.
Dad! Rain!
I felt it too. Are you catching raindrops?
I found one in my mouth.
Okay, so Dad's all the way down there by the theater, okay? Do you see them? No?
Dad!
Hazel and I are gonna go check out the market, Dad. Let's go. Alright, here comes Olive and Willow with gymnastics north. Here they come, here they come. No! 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 Oh, Olive! Oh, good job! Keep going! Do another one! Do another one! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
You guys are the only ones who went there.
They took a shortcut. I bet all the kids were really tired. It's like 3-year-olds.
Okay, so the parade actually ended up being a lot of fun. The rain held out. It did not rain on us. The girls did amazing. Olive did about 200 cartwheels and she fell a couple times, but she got right back up. She did amazing. I'm so proud of her. Good job, guys.